Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Chad Portnova, and today, we're diving into the world of AI and exploring some fantastic ways you can make money online using ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI language model with incredible capabilities. And yes, it can help you earn money online. Let's jump into the top 10 ways you can use it. First up, content creation. You can use ChatGPT to produce high-quality, SEO-friendly blog posts, social media updates, and more. Secondly, copywriting services. With its knack for language, ChatGPT can generate persuasive sales copy and ads. Third, use it for customer support. You can set up ChatGPT as a chatbot to handle customer inquiries, reducing manpower costs. Fourth, email marketing. Automate personalized email campaigns and improve your conversion rates. Fifth, language translation. ChatGPT can help you translate content into multiple languages. Sixth, product descriptions. If you have an e-commerce business, it can help generate unique product descriptions. Seventh, market research. Use it to analyze trends and sentiments, giving you valuable insights. Eighth, personal assistant services. It can manage your schedule, set reminders, and even draft emails. Ninth, affiliate marketing. ChatGPT can write persuasive product reviews, helping you earn affiliate income. And 10th, online tutoring. Use it to provide tutoring in various subjects, helping students worldwide. And there you have it. 10 solid ways to make money online using ChatGPT. But, guess what? We've only just scratched the surface. Right below this video, in the description, there's a link to a free guide that we've put together just for you. This guide will teach you 40 ways to make money with ChatGPT. Yes, you heard it right, 40 ways. So don't wait, don't hesitate. This could be the opportunity you've been waiting for. Click that link, grab that guide, and start your journey to making money online with ChatGPT today. Remember, the world is changing, and AI is leading the way. Don't get left behind. I'm Chad Portnova, and I'll see you in our next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks.